Accuracy is a superpower, but gravity is funnier! I subotized those slime droplets on the floor, Kai. Your one-to-one correspondence is messy.
Center of gravity, brother. It's a lock!
First, next, then trap!
Measure once, prank twice.
Kanda time, Kai. The center won't hold.
Whoa! It's shaking apart!
Kai, hold on! Steer into the turn!
I can't! It's too fast!
You're almost there!
Abort! I'm wicked too hard!
The shortcut, Kai!
I'm flying on bad math!
A masterpiece starts with the heart, not the mishaps.
The prank failed because I skipped the foundation.
Accuracy is a superpower. You win today.
Actually, your mango slide tackle was a masterpiece of physics.
Tomorrow, we build for real.
This Gully Glider is the best.
Yeah, let's go home. Race you to the door? You're on.